Now that it's almost time for season 7 of Knit Stars, I've been traveling around a lot and I've been saying, hey, the cart opens for Knit Stars soon. And I'm getting a lot of folks saying, hey, what is Knit Stars? So it's so exciting that there's so many of you that love Knit Stars and there's so many of you that are brand new to Knit Stars and haven't been exposed to it yet. So I thought I wanted to just quickly explain to you what is Knit Stars. So think about being able to travel all around the world and go to knitting classes and go to the homes of knitwear designers and get to have a little peek into our lives and learn amazing things and get to shop for yarn and have exclusive colorways and exclusive patterns, all from the comfort of your own home. That's Knit Stars. So this year I'm doing a class called Circular Knitting Hacks. It has all of my wild circular tricks. I have this cowl project that puts it all together, comes in 3 amazing colorways. But you also get to take classes with a bunch of other amazing teachers, whether you're doing slip stitch knitting or learning how to spin or making the most incredible mittens you've ever seen or cabled hats, just on and on and on. But you're going to also get to travel not only all around the United States, you're going to come to my home in Saugerties, get to see my studio, a little bit about my town and my house and just the things that I love. But you'll get to travel to Canada and you'll travel to Sweden. You'll go to Amsterdam, all from the comfort of your own home. So I just think Knit Stars is an amazing opportunity to travel all around the world, take classes from the most amazing teachers, more information below, shop for the most amazing yarn. This is Anzula Luxury Fibers, 3 colorway kits. And if you want to show a little love to the teacher of your choice, you can click on our custom link. This is mine. This is my bit.ly link. And you can sign up to the season through our link. It's part of how we get paid. So we really appreciate that. Okay. The cart opens October 7th and it closes October 14th. So don't delay. Make sure you check out Knit Stars. I really, really worked hard on this class. Circular Knitting Hacks. It has so many tricks and I hope you like it.